This is a quick video to show my granddaughter M and grandson C Meemaw's car and automatic door openers. There you go. There's remote control opener, and there's a little doggy in there. Now the other side door, and it's going open with the remote control. Now the back hatch door. Open sesame. There it goes automatically. Now she's going to close it automatically. Do the side door. There goes the side door closed. And here's the other side door going closed. Back open because the dog snuck in there. Okay, hatch door going closed. And there we go. And that's it for the remote control opener. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to M and C. Bye.